The frightening moments during takeoff for a Delta Airlines plane, flames and smoke seen shooting from an engine. ABC Ines de la Quatara is in London now with more good morning Ines. Good morning, dear. That's right, and this was a Delta flight heading from Prague to JFK took off earlier today, and airport webcam video shows the plane's engine failing. Shortly after takeoff, you can see there's something just not right with the plane leaving a trail of black smoke as it's flying. The plane turns back after about 20 minutes and safely landed back in Prague, Delta, saying there were over 200 passengers on board and that no one was injured. The plane was later inspected by airport firefighters and dragged to a parking stand. The airport says its main runway was closed for about 30 minutes, and Delta now saying in a statement that it apologizes to its customer for the delay in their travel plans. As the flight crew followed procedures to return to Prague after an engine performance issue was observed on the aircraft. Delta teams are working accommodations and rebookings on other flights to get our customers to where they are going as soon as possible. Nothing is more important than the safety of our customers and people. It's still unclear what caused the engine problem, and the FAA says it will be investigating the incident. Jenny, scary situation. Glad everyone is okay, and as we in appreciate appreciate you.